So guys, this is a really close friend of mine. I promoted him last week on my Instagram, I believe. I begged him about 4 years ago to get a CDL. And with the grace of God, today he's purchasing his third truck. Brand new, 2022. Kenworth. Brand new, everything. Nick, say what's up. Congratulations to my guy. 4 years ago, I begged him to get a CDL. And today, he's picking up his third truck. We're leaving the yard, brand new, 2022. Begged him 4 years ago to get his CDL. Started driving for me for 2 years. Today I can honestly say he's picking up his third truck. Taking it off the lot. Taking it to the yard. The team continues to grow. The team continues to get bigger. And that's what it's all about. This is what it's all about. Brand new 2022 Kenworth. Coming out the lot. I begged him 4 years ago to get his CDL. Begged him 4 years ago to get his CDL. He was working in Raymond Flanagan. And today he's taking his truck off the lot. 2022, brand new. Brand new. Brand new. Brand new truck. It's my boy Santana right there. Congratulations to my brother. 4 years ago,
God, making it happen.
4 years ago, I begged him to get his CDL. And today he's picking up his third truck. Brand new TA80 Kenworth. Beautiful. Amazing. Hard work pays off. Put the body up. Hard work pays off. We're taking this bad boy to the yard. Four years ago, this guy was delivering furniture. I told him, yo, get your CDL, bro. Get your CDL. I got dump trucks. Come drive for me. He listened. He listened. And today, he's picking up his third truck. Sky's the limit. Oof. Let's get it. Let's get it. $200,000 truck right here. $200,000 right here. This is what $200,000 looks like. This is an asset. This makes you money. This makes you money. $200,000 right here, brand new. Shout out to Heritage. Best bodies ever created. They're based out of Ohio. Shout out to Heritage. It's a beautiful truck. 2022. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Automatic Allison transmission. Automatic Allison transmission. When the body's up, there's a sensor telling you the body's up, so we don't hit any bridges. Chrome rims. Tire size 385. Michelin tires. Hood mirrors for safeties. This is my guy right here. You're missing a rubber there. They'll put it on. I begged this guy 4 years ago to get a CDL. And today he's taking his third truck home. Number 3. No games being played. $200,000 truck. $200,000 truck right here. 2022. Kenworth. Happy for my guy. Works hard. Never complains. He's never pocket watching. He's focused on the grind. And this is why God is continuing to bless him. This is it right here. Heritage body. Shout out to Heritage. Beautiful body. Beautiful truck. Make sure your lights work. Yo. Even though the truck is brand new, you always do an inspection on it before you leave the yard. So just in case, we're still here at Kenworth, so we'll call the sales rep and just give them the heads up. But no major issues should be wrong. It's a brand new 2022, 0 miles. Like I said to you guys before, this guy, close friend of mine, used to work in Raymer and Flanagan. I told him, get your CDL. Drove for me for 2.5 years. And today I can honestly say he's picking up his third truck. Today he's picking up his third truck. You turned on your emergency lights? Huh? Begged him 4 years ago, get your CDL. Bro, get your CDL. I'm going to put you in position. Got his CDL. He listened. Today he's picking up his third truck. $200,000 truck. Let's get it. Grind never stops. Always repping my company. I'm also repping his all the time. You know? The grind is different. Grind is different. We're not here hating on anyone else. We're not here talking shit about anyone else. We're just focused on the grind. Brand new, look at that. Look at this brand new chassis. Look at that. Brand new. Brand new 2022 Kenworth. 2022 Kenworth. My man started in Raymer and Flanagan 4 years ago. I begged him to get his CDL 4 years ago. Told him, come drive for me. 4 years ago. Today, my man's right here is picking up his third truck. Third truck. We ain't playing any games. Hard work pays off. Hard work pays off. My guy was breaking his back 4 years ago, delivering furniture. I told him, this is not it. This is not what we want for you, bro. Get that CDL, get that CDL. I used to beg him, get that CDL. Until he listened. After he listened, my man got 3 trucks. We're picking up his third truck today. 2022 Kenworth TA80 Triaxle. '22 TA80 Triaxle. Extra safety locks on the body door. We don't want any spillage. My guy puts in the work. He works nights, he works day shifts. He's not here focused on talking shit about anyone else. He's not focused on what the next man is doing. He's not focused on pocket watching. He's focused on the grind. So God is blessing him. And today he's picking up his third truck. And today he's picking up his third truck. But most importantly, he listens to the person that's putting him in position. So God continues to bless him because he listens. Doesn't take shortcuts. Doesn't try to beat the system. You can't cheat the grind. You cannot cheat the grind. Well deserved to my guy Santana. Begged him 4 years ago to get a CDL. And today, he's picking up his third truck. Today, he's picking up his third truck. Use this as motivation. If you guys are unhappy in the position that you guys are in today and want to get into the dump truck business or want to get into the trucking business in general, hit me up, send me a DM, and let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. This truck will hit the road Monday morning. This truck will hit the road Monday morning, ready to go, ready to hit the grind. And it's only gonna look this beautiful today because Monday morning it's gonna get dirty, it's gonna get scratched up. Monday morning is gonna get dirty, it's gonna get scratched up, and it's gonna hit the field. So take a look at it now. This is the last time you'll see it this green. Congrats to my brother. Hard work pays off. Hard work pays off, and sky's the limit. I wasn't fathered into this dump truck business. I wasn't no one taught me the game. I learned it myself. And I'm happy that I can put a lot of people in position to win and to succeed. So truly blessed, happy for this guy right here. Happy for what he's accomplished. 4 years ago, he used to work at Raymer and Flanigan. He used to deliver furniture, breaking his back, going up those stairs with those bedroom sets, with those sofas in New York City. Told him, bro, you got to get out of there. Get your CDL. Get your CDL. That's not what you want to do forever. I got you. I'm going to help you out. Started driving for me for 2.5 years. And today he's picking up his 3rd truck. There it is. So my brother, congratulations. We're out of here.
Thank you.
That's it. Peace and love to everybody. I appreciate everybody tuning in. And I appreciate everybody supporting the page and supporting the content. If you guys are serious about this business, send me a DM. Shout out to everybody. I appreciate everybody. Peace and love. Thank you.